welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm trying to get as much done as I can while Daxton takes his morning nap. If you don't know, I have a 4-month-old named Daxton who doesn't take long naps in the morning, so I'm just trying to get as much done as I can before he wakes up.
We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Ooh, you just gotta make your mind up. Just give me a sign if you want a ride. They don't really wanna know, so we throw away our phones, go Bonnie and Clyde. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we found our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Will you run away? Will you run away with me? 'Cause I will run away, I will run away with you. Will you run away? Will you run away with me? 'Cause I will run away, I will run away. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you.
What's your guys' least favorite chore to do? Mine right now seems to be folding and putting away laundry. I have no problem getting the laundry clean, but I don't know, something about it at the end of the day, I just don't feel like folding and putting it away. Normally during the summertime, the kids wash and do their own laundry, but during school, that seems to be a bit too much for them, so we've been trying different methods. And so right now, we've been doing laundry by room, and so the kids, when it's their turn, they help me do it, and then we all fold and put it away together when it's their room. And so how do you guys do your laundry? How do you keep up on it? I'd really love some new ideas.
All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, it turns to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word.
you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat. It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
Alright, as you guys could see, Daxton woke up, so I'm just going to finish putting this laundry away, and then that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from this, and I'll see you back here real soon.
Firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's